tiny seed is the secret behind the rich taste of many African soups. It is called locust beans or iru or dawadawa. Today I will show you how it is made the traditional way, from boiling to mashing to fermenting, just like our mothers still do. The process begins by pouring the raw seeds directly into a pot. No washing at this stage. We go straight to boiling, okay? Locust beans are very hard, so they need to cook for hours, sometimes up to half a day, before the shell softens. This is the longest part of the work, but without it, the husk will never fall off. So we cooked our own overnight. You can cook it for 8 hours or even more. You can add water if you feel the water is not enough. You will know they are ready when you rub a few seeds between your palms and the soft beans pop out easily from the shells. That's the sign it's time for the next step. Once the beans are soft, it's time to remove the shells. Traditionally, people use their feet to mash the sack, but here we are using a different method entirely. The boiled beans are poured into a sack, tied up, and then eaten several times on the floor. This process helps loosen the husk and makes the next step easier. After pounding, the beans are emptied into a large sieve over a bowl of water. This makes washing easier. This is where the real work begins, washing. You have to rub and shake the beans gently inside the sieve over and over again while changing the water, okay? The light husks float to the top and are poured away, and the beans don't clean out at once. This step takes a lot of time and patience because you will need to wash countless times before the husks are completely gone. It's slow, but that's the only way to get clean golden locust beans ready for fermentation. After washing countless times until the husks are gone, the beans are poured into a mortar and pounded lightly. At this stage, a little ash is added. The ash plays an important role. It helps to remove any stubborn husk that is still clinging to the beans. The roughness of the ash makes it easier to separate the last traces of skin, giving you cleaner locust beans, okay? It also helps the beans become softer and more ready for fermentation. After pounding with ash, the beans are rinsed once more to wash off everything. After pounding with ash and rinsing thoroughly, the beans are not yet ready, okay? They go back into the pot for another round of cooking, this time for about 2 hours. This second boiling is very important because it softens the beans completely, remove any remaining toughness, and prepare them for fermentation, okay? Once the beans have cooked for about 2 hours and all the water has dried, they are taken off the fire. At this stage, the beans are soft, clean, and ready for fermentation. They are then transferred into a basket lined with lapa leaf. Even banana or plantain leaf can be used. These leaves plays an important role. They help to retain heat and moisture, creating the perfect natural environment for fermentation. The leaves also had a subtle earthy flavor and protect the beans from dirt or insects while they ferment. The basket is then covered and the beans are left for 2 or 3 days to ferment. This is when the strong smell and unique taste of locust beans develops. After fermentation, you can use your locust beans fresh or you can dry them in the sun. Dry locust beans last for months and can be ground into powder to use as seasoning in soup and stews. Locust beans are more than just flavor. They are rich in protein, calcium, and iron. Traditionally, they are believed to help control blood pressure and boost digestion. And of course, they add that authentic taste to soup like egusi, okra, ogbono, and ewedu. And that's how you made locust beans at home, from raw seeds to the flavorful seasoning that makes African soup so delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share so more people can learn this traditional recipe. Which dish do you love most with locust beans? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So until next time when I'll be coming again, God bless you and bye.